This is so good for your meme coins and your altcoins bags. Today, guys, I've got an absolute banger for you. We're going to dive deep into why, yes, your meme coins and altcoins are about to go crazy over the next 6 to 12 months. So be sure to subscribe down below, smash a like button, and obviously, if you'd like to support the channel just a little bit further, become a YouTube member and get early access to these videos as well as many other perks in the description below. All right, here it is. This is good for your meme coin bags and your altcoins bags, guys. All right, I'm going to dive heavy into some analysis in this episode, guys. We're going to start here with Total 3. So Total 3 is essentially all meme coins, all altcoins, excluding the market cap of Bitcoin and Ethereum. So really simply, this is probably the most reliable chart to see whether your altcoin bags or whether your meme coin bags are going to pump. Now, obviously what we're seeing here is a bullish wedge playing out. Now, we are attempting a breakout here. So I do think that potentially we could be starting to see a breakout very soon, and stochastic momentum on the week is very much in our favor still, as long as we are above $560 billion. But I do think that we could start to see this play out very aggressively to the upside over the coming months, and I've got a few more reasons why that is fantastic for your meme coins and your altcoins. So obviously recently, guys, this dip here 2 weeks ago when there was fear across the market was an absolute opportunity for meme coin accumulation and for some of your favorite altcoins. Now, obviously, you can take this step one further and essentially want to be comparing your favorite altcoins against their Bitcoin pair. If they're showing strength like Solana, or if they're showing strength like Sui against Bitcoin, then likely they are the best altcoins or meme coins, obviously, that could outperform Bitcoin and obviously even Ethereum as well. So you want to be making sure that you're obviously keeping an eye on this chart here, Total 3, okay, so all meme coins and altcoins, excluding BTC and Ethereum, but you also want to be checking your pair against Solana. Against Bitcoin and Ethereum. If it shows strength against those, then likely that is probably a really strong asset to hold for the next 6 to 12 months in cryptocurrency land. All right, let's do more analysis. As you can see here, guys, this is Bitcoin dominance. Now, this is a very important chart aligning with Total 3. The big thing about this chart is that we are very much close to topping out again for quite a while. And as you can see, guys, Total 3 is Bitcoin dominance has literally been up from the end of 2022 to where we are currently. And soon this is likely going to top out here. If we do obviously continue a little bit higher towards 60%, then I'll still favor Bitcoin. But as soon as we start to break this trend and obviously break this macro top of this range here, guys, then likely I'll probably rotate a bit of my Bitcoin into my favorite altcoins. So things like Solana, things like Solana's ecosystem, so Jupiter, Radium, okay, some of those meme coins like WIF, okay, I'll probably rotate into some Ethereum meme coins because they are popping off. So Pepe and Mog and even some other lower cap ones. So keeping an eye on BTC dominance, we are starting to maybe be quite overextended for quite a large amount of time. So likely it is a very close season for altcoins and the Memecoin Supercycle. All right, let's do more. The ETH first BTC chart has finally found maybe a potential bottom here based on previous, like years and years ago. This is 5-6 years ago where we found sort of liquidity down here, guys. So for me, Ethereum could start to maybe rally here again. It was quite oversold. As you can see, the weekly stochastic is also very close to the bottom. Momentum looks to be shifting up. So there's multiple signs across the market, okay, that I'm starting to see that altcoin season and Memecoin Supercycle is not far away. Let's dive deeper. We've started to see that pump.fun tokens are starting to pick up again with volume, but also with the amount of tokens that are created every single day. If this starts to go back up in an uptrend, guys, and this orange line continues really high with more tokens being created, then likely the bottom is in and likely there's going to be an insane meme coin rally over the coming months. The global liquidity is starting to increase, guys. As you can see, this traditionally means very bullish parabolic price action for altcoins, okay? Now, obviously, Bitcoin's going to pump, but altcoins often outperform because obviously things like this have topped out BTC dominance. So keep an eye on global liquidity. If that starts to continue increasing, guys, that is so bullish for your altcoins and your meme coin bags. It's nearly close to altcoin season, guys, because as you can see, we've spent a lot of time down here, down in the bottom area of Bitcoin season. Now, this chart is essentially an extension of Total 3 and BTC dominance like we've seen. But traditionally, guys, this has picked a lot of times where it is often oversold for altcoins, okay? And then when it has picked, as you can see, multiple times where we rallied, okay, and altcoins went to town. This is where you want to be accumulating your favorite altcoins. Down in this region down here, this is where you want to be taking profit, rotating into fiat, or rotating back into Bitcoin. Two more. Here we go, guys. Altcoins are starting to rally a lot harder on the 24 hours, okay, and over the past weeks. As you can see, we're starting to see the real utility shine through. So things such as AI with the data side of things with Tau, okay, Immutable X, the gaming side of the market starting to maybe wake up. Render has been such a strong token this cycle, okay, one of the strongest tokens because it fits AI, it fits the gaming rendering, and it fits the Solana ecosystem narrative, okay. So those are top altcoins that I definitely have exposure to as well. Near Protocol, Sui has outperformed Bitcoin for a very long time now by 60% over the past couple of weeks. So things like that, guys, is starting to show me that altcoin season is not far away. And lastly, guys, we're starting to see that Ethereum meme coins are taking off again. These are all of the best returns over the past 7 days, and majority of them are on Ethereum. So the fact that money is returning to Ethereum, the fact that it's returning to altcoins, and the fact that it's returning to meme coins is very bullish for me over the next 6 months, guys. And I do think altcoin season is not far away, which also means that the Memecoin Supercycle is about to continue and get crazy, guys. I mean, Doge went to 74 billion last cycle. So something like WIF, something like Pepe, something like Mog, something even like Giga could very much send to multiple billions, tens of billions over the coming 6 to 12 months. So obviously use this information how you'd like, but obviously keep up to date with this channel because we'll be focusing on this to maximize our profit over the coming months. So this is a great time for your altcoin and your meme coin bags. Let me know if you have any questions down below, guys. I'll be more than happy to help you out. Cheers. I hope you enjoyed that one, guys. I am so bullish for meme coins and altcoins over the next 6 to 12 months. So be sure to subscribe, smash the like button. And if you'd like to support me and the channel just a little bit further, become a YouTube member by signing up in the links down below. As always, check out my trading group where you can get one-on-one daily access to me, my education, my calls, etc. across the space by signing up using the what.com link in the description below. As always, guys, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.